Good morning, guys. It is breakfast time at the Ambrose family this morning, and today I wanted to make a bit of a special breakfast for us too. It's also to celebrate. I've been 18 years in England. It was that day basically I landed in England 18 years ago. I'm going to do a little bit of a special brekkie for days and nights. I don't know whether it's a fashion or it's in at the moment, but we fancy, well, I thought of having like a cob, but a breakfast cob. I'm going to do our breakfast cob in a baguette. Baguette is heating up, sausages in the oven, and I'm going to fry a little bit of onion and peppers.
What sort of sausage is it, Bun?
Vegetarian sausages. It's the Linda McCartney, I believe.
Oh.
So I'm going to do, you come over here, so I'm going to drizzle a tiny bit of veg oil, onions in half.
How many onion?
One, just the one. And one red pepper in little pieces. Washed and cleaned. My hands are clean. Okay, going to stir fry those, and I'm going to add a little bit of salt and this spice. I'm obsessed by this spice.
Don't shake it then, I'm trying to... What is it?
Hot spicy seasoning by Roger. So we're going to fry those. Tick, 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 tick. Covered of all the spices. Tiny bit of salt.
So what are we looking for here then, Bun?
A bit of caramelization.
And how long does that take?
We'll see. About 5 minutes. Maybe a bit more. Tick, 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 tick.
How do you know when it is?
Well, when the onions do get a little bit of colour.
So they've got to turn a bit brown?
Tiny bit. Well, for me, for a cob, the onion needs to be soft. That's my priority. We're not going to do the scenario of hot dogs with really brown onions. It's not. I'm not looking for this effect of the. Yeah, I'm just looking for soft onions.
When they start to turn.
Not quite.
Not even that.
They still need to have a bit of a crunch. So I normally taste it. No.
No? Bit more?
Tiny bit more, because it's got that taste of rawness. I want to have a little bit more.
So it is strictly 5 minutes then, really, isn't it?
Probably. Let's have a taste now.
You'll be eating the onion before you...
I want a tiny bit more salt.
Oh, yeah.
And I'm going to sprinkle a tiny bit.
About a teaspoon?
About that, yeah. Just to coat. Sorry.
Is that more than a teaspoon?
Oh. Right, going to wash my pan.
Pan washed out?
Yes, we're moving to the eggs now. We're going to do an omelette now, and Teddy has already checked our eggs. So eggs goes in the bowl. Right, whisk, whisk, whisk. Tick, 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 tick. Pan is hot. Tiny bit of oil. Not much. That's it. Just to coat. Got the. Right, in here, salt, pepper, This is the Mauritian touch. A bit of thyme. Right, in the pan. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. And in here, while the omelette is doing, in here, the sausages are ready, the bread is ready.
So what's the essence of this now? What are you going to try and do?
People at that stage sometimes, no, not quite like this, not when it's runny, gooey like this.
So how do you not make it runny?
But you leave it to set underneath. So, right, okay. Okay, ideally.
So you're bringing it together a bit.
Ideally, yeah, but that's it. You turn it round, and at that stage, right?
The bottom should be set.
Yeah, set.
And now you
underneath it sets, yeah, and you don't let it to dry too much. It needs to still be soft. The heat from this pan will carry on cooking there. You see, it's already cooked. But at this stage, if you want a proper omelette at home, you fill that with little bits of cheese, mushroom, fried mushroom, ham, anything you want, yeah, and then you fold it like this. This is your omelette, and some people put some more cheese and then put it under the grill for 2 minutes, well, 1 minute, just for the cheese to ooze down on the omelette. But we're not going to do that. We're just going to assemble our breakfast baguette.
Right.
Will you be kind to do a little couvert, put a little couvert for us, please, to set the table?
Yeah.
Right, guys, back to the breakfast situation. We've got our sausages, our baguette, very toasty and hot. So we're going to assemble it now. Oh, crunch. Right, I know, Teddy, I like taking a little bit of the
white stuff out.
Yeah, so that you can feel. It has to be a treat, so for today it's nice butter in. Okay, guys? Nice butter. Can't go wrong with a bit of nice butter. Right? 2 sausages. 1, 2.
You can get 2 sausages in.
Right?
It's well packed. You can do this with crusty cobs or rolls, whatever you want to call them.
A tiny bit of this mixture thing. Right, my famous cheese box. Bit of cheese. Yeah. Then a slice of cheese.
You're joking?
Yeah.
Is this a Mauritian thing, cheese?
Yeah.
It's certainly a French thing.
Gooiness. And to finish off, half of the omelette.
You're joking? You're never going to fit that in the baguette.
Well, certainly. And
Impossible.
Yes.
How are you supposed to eat that?
And then
What about sauces?
sauces is up for you. So the sausages, oops, boom. That's it. Voila!
That's an American style.
Yes, actually. Okay.
American style baguette
So that's
sandwich.
That's a cup. Lots of sauces in here. Barbecue sauce, sweet chili sauce, and hot sauce. As you wish, guys.
To coin a phrase, that looks freaking amazing.
In here, you can also add tomatoes, pickle. It's like pickle, probably not at this time, but hey, pickle, this will become a breakfast burger.
Well, it's 10 to 11 this morning, so it's a brunch type thing anyway.
I hope it's going to be nice. I'll do.
You wouldn't even hope it's going to be nice.
I'm going to assemble mine, and then we'll sit down, and Teddy will taste it first, and then he will tell you. Okay?
Well, I think I'm going to go for the barbecue sauce myself. So
I'm going for barbecue and hot sauce. Yum yum.
And hot sauce.
Okay, come on, Dad, sit down, and I'm going to do mine now. Because the baguette is not large enough, I have deconstructed mine. So here you have got sausages, onions, and a slice of cheese, barbecue sauce and chili sauce. Hot sauce. And on here the onion mixture with my omelette and underneath a bit of cheese. Barbecue. And chili sauce. Hot sauce. Woohoo.
Be careful.
That's it. Yum. I'm sorry guys. I think this type of breakfast you don't eat it with knife and fork. It's going to go come. Oh yeah. A bit of crusty bread, oozy cheese underneath, it's melting, onions crunchy, barbecue sauce, delightful. Happy anniversary to me. Right, you've done something else with yours. You have deconstructed yours, but in a different way.
So with mine, I've just taken a piece of the baguette and put a piece of sausage and all the other ingredients within it to do a smaller version of the true sandwich sort of thing, yeah?
Oh my god. You can't get crustier than that.
All the flavours are there, obviously. Topped with barbecue sauce. You can't get any more filling for a brunch sandwich than that. Everything's great and very well put together and cooked. Well done, buddy. Happy anniversary.
Thank you.
Let's enjoy it.
Thank you. Give this a try at home.
You can't beat it. Join us again for another video. It'll be probably the Q&A next after this. So join us for that. Until then, bye for now.